Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we will start the first lecture of physics, chapter number 12, electrostatics. First we see that what is electrostatic. जैसा कि आप नाम में देख सकते हैं कि this is the combination of two words, electro and static. Electro means electron and static mean still condition or without movement. So electrostatic is the branch of physics which concerned with the study of rest charges. Now what is charge? There are two types of charges, negative and positive. Negative and positive charges repel each other if they are exert force on each other, or it will attract each other. This is only due to the force present between the two charges. If the charges are like charges, means two negative charge or two positive charge, then the force will be repulsive. And if the charges will be opposite, means unlike charges, or one is negative charge and other is positive charge, then force will be attractive. Now what is Coulomb's law? Coulomb states a law according to the force exerted by the charges on the each other. It states that the force between any two point charges is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charges, means F is directly proportional to the Q1 and Q2, and this force will be inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these two charges, or we can say that mathematically it will be F is directly proportional to 1 over r square. So we will combine this equation, then F will be equal to F is directly proportional to the Q1 Q2 over r square, and we will introduce the constant of proportionality. Then it will be F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over r square, where K is the constant and which is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, and its value is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. These units can you identify from the equation F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over r square. Now what is K? K is the constant and it depends on the nature of the medium between these two charges. Means if there are point charges and there is a space between them, or any other material medium as water, oil, like plastic, then what will happen? Then the value of the constant K is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught will be changed. K epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Its value is 8.85 in 10 power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton per meter square. It is the value when there is a medium between the two charges is vacuum. If there is a medium between the two charges is any other material, then the value of K will be changed by the some constant will be introduced in this equation, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r, where epsilon r is the relative permittivity of free space. Relative epsilon r is equal to the relative permittivity, means it will be the permittivity of that material medium which is present between the two charges, like water is present between the charges, or oil is present between the charges, or plastic between the charges. Then the equation F will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r Q1 Q2 over r square. It means it will depend on the material medium. If the material medium is introduced, then the value of the force will be changed. It will be increase or decrease. It depends on the value of the material medium, relative permittivity of that material medium.